This is a cool toy gun. It's an imitation of Smith & Wesson pistol. So here, I'm loading the clip with 6 bullets. And these bullets are very soft. Experience soft bullet shooting like never before. Fun and safety combined. It's time to get your friends and enjoy a friendly and safe battle this summer. It's the perfect blend of excitement and safety for kids and adults alike all year round. Click. Thank you for watching.